So, hi dear Pisces, very very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is 7 days, 7 and tarot messages for all the Pisces Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 5th till the 11th of May. If you want to be a reader like me, want to have personal reading or healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for Ho'oponopono Masterclass and Self Love course, 2 links are given below in the description box. So let's start, Pisces. 5th of May, what we have. But we have the patience. The more you are going to be patient with yourself, your growth, your energies, the more you are going to enjoy your life to the fullest, and the more you are going to get results in a positive way. So something is growing up, something is going on that you're working on very, very patiently, but sometimes you lose your patience. But again, the universe wants you to teach more and more patience by creating some kind of delays or illusions of delays. But this is something that's going to grow with time, and you need to have the patience to let it grow. Okay, let it happen naturally and organically. 6th of May, we have the schizophrenia. Now, in order to find a solution to a problem, you have to trust the process fully, trust the universe fully, and trust yourself fully. In this process, you have to trust the unknown, and you have to let go of something or someone completely out of your system so that you can have the clean slate that you're seeking for. But trusting the unknown and letting go of something or someone completely is the answer here, is the solution here. You're holding on to something or someone very tightly, and you're not able to trust the process and the universe at all, but it should be the exact opposite of what you are holding on to and doing. 7th of May, we have the adventure. Now, on the 7th of May, you are going to feel you should have some kind of fun or adventure in your life. For some of you, it's a spiritual retreat, spiritual detox kind of energy, and you may be starting your brand new chapter in your spiritual journey, or starting something totally new that you have never tried before. For others of you, it could be like a little adventure, little vacation, or something that you are trying to go ahead with. Just do that, go ahead with that. It's going to give you a very beautiful new experience in life, but go ahead with a very childlike, naive, and beautiful, innocent energy so that you can enjoy it fully and get the results of it in a beautiful and positive way. 8th of May, breakthrough. See, for most of you, it's a spiritual awakening kind of a deal, and you are going to feel like a fresh energy, totally new energy. You are going to find a solution to a problem when you will be least expecting it to happen. Okay. For some of you, it's a spiritual awakening. For others of you, you finding a solution, you having a breakthrough in a certain direction, and feeling very light, feeling very excited, feeling like, oh my God, finally I cracked it, finally I got it. Celebration kind of energy. Very good. 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. 9th of May, we have the compromise. In order to save something, maybe a connection, maybe a friendship, maybe a project, or maybe work, or whatever it is, you have to have a middle ground kind of energy with someone. It's like you have to compromise, otherwise the situation, the thing, the person, the relationship, whatever this is kind of important for you, is not going to be there for you anymore. Either find a middle ground or let it go completely. Compromise is required in order to save something, whatever it is, otherwise it's not going to work out. 10th of May, we have the new vision. On the 10th of May, you are going to get up and you're going to realize the old belief system, the old version of you is not functioning anymore. You have to have something brand new. You have to have a new perspective, new vision, fresh energies in order to move to the next chapter of your life. The moment you are going to shift your vision and shift your perspective, everything around you is going to change in a very, very positive way, drastically, because you are just in like changing your own energies, your own vision, and you are going to feel everything is changing according to that. Okay, and 11th of May, we have the creator himself, herself, whatever you call it. Universe don't have any gender, but it's blend of two energies. Let me give you a lecture first. I'm crazy. So honey, it's like your solar plexus chakra, the chakra that's related to creating and related to strength and courage, is going to be very activated. You are going to feel a surge of energy. You are going to feel a totally new version, totally new energy inside out, and you are going to create something, co-create something with the universe. It's basically a signal, a sign from the universe that if you want to start something that needs courage and strength and lot of desire, the universe got your back, and the energies are fully available for you to start going in that direction. So start that, jump into that, okay, and start going in that direction. Just take the leap of faith and go. And work on your solar plexus chakra too. Fine. No more drama. Anyway, so thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.